Hey, it's Joel at Hamina. Real quick video here. I had a customer come into support that just did a site survey, but they were really disappointed to see that none of their access points had any names attached to them. They looked sort of like this, where we could basically just see the BSSID, which is the base MAC address of the radio, essentially. So what do we do about this? Well, if you still have access to the site, you can fix this without having to do a full resurvey. Let me show you what I mean. I did two surveys here. I did an initial survey without the AP names enabled. And all the access points didn't have names, sort of like these ones that are colored in blue here. So no AP names for any of these. Then I went into my management interface, which in this case is on Ruckus One, and I went to configure, and then I went to more settings and networking, and I checked AP hostname advertisement in Beacon and applied that. And I have two SSIDs on this. I just did it on one SSID because that's going to be enough. And then I waited a few minutes, like maybe 5 minutes or so, and then I did a resurvey. But instead of resurveying the whole site, I just did a single point survey right here. I just added 1 point to the map. And then what happened is every access point that was in range of that point survey, every AP that I heard from that single point survey now gets an AP name. So all these ones, I've colored them orange just to make them stand out a little bit. Now you can see that one's Joel's desk, there's the phone booths, there's the corner office, there's the boardroom. So all of those were picked up, all of those got heard by that single point survey. And so Hamina just updated those APs to show the AP name. So in a real scenario, what I would do now is I would probably just go add one more survey point. Probably just go add one more right about here, and that would pick up everything on the site, and it would all get AP names. Now, you did see that I colored them orange here. You don't even need to do that. You can just go to the visibility menu, and you can just enable labels. And notice that if we have numbers, of course, you just get an AP number. But if you turn on names, then we'll only show you the name if we actually have one. So you don't even have to do custom coloring or anything like that. I just did that to make it stand out a little bit more. Now, if you wanted to be really super duper sure to get every single AP name, I would just go add a point survey underneath every access point, or at least in line of sight to every access point that's on the site. So yeah, you could go do every single one, or you could just kind of salt and pepper a few of these points in there, and that should take care of it. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks, bye.